A good rule of thumb when we're wanting to like have the look, right? Like we want to have muscle, we want to have that X frame of the bikini body. We want to prioritize our protein first, like eat our whatever our goal weight is, we want to eat that much protein every single day. And then we find our calorie of like what's a suitable thing, whether we're in a slight deficit or whether we're in a reverse cut. We find that calorie load. We're using MyFitnessPal to get this like calculation. And then you start adding carbs and fat to it, and you make your fat grams 20% of your total calories. And so if you overcook your meat that's high fat, like this turkey is, the turkey balls are relatively high fat compared to chicken. So if I overcook the turkey a little bit and burn off some of the fat, it's going to be a little bit less fat. But like it's very nuanced and you're really not going to know for sure. And it really doesn't matter. I just want to share with you stuff so that you don't have extreme black and white thinking, because there's nothing extreme about this.